We're ready to get started by installing Adobe XD. The first step is to go ahead and open up your browser. We can sign up for Adobe XD through Adobe's website. So all you need to do is head on over to adobe.com/XD and hit enter. Once the website loads, you'll be brought to this page for Adobe XD, which is where they explain how it works and give you little videos of how you can do app design or web design, app design, brand and game design with Adobe XD, which is pretty cool. You can watch those animations to see what we'll kind of be going through. So this is awesome. And if you come down here, you can actually go ahead and discover some of the features it has from here. Now, of course, we won't go into too much details with the features on the website because we'll be actually going through all of these features throughout the course. So let's go back to the main page here. And now if you scroll down here, you can see this is the pricing that I mentioned in the previous lecture. If you do want to just use Adobe XD itself, it's available at $9.99 US per month, which I think is pretty worth it considering that it gives you a ton of features and you can use the single app. You don't need to subscribe to all the apps of Adobe Creative Cloud. But if you do want to use all the apps in Creative Cloud, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and so on, you can go ahead and subscribe to this option over here, which starts at $52.99 a month. Now, of course, as I mentioned, the Adobe XD comes with a 7-day trial, so that's what we're going to be using for this course here. So if you don't have Adobe XD and you're just testing it out, or you want to go through this course and learn it before you buy it, which is what I do recommend, you can go ahead and simply click on the free trial, which is what we're going to do. Once you've done that, it would ask you a couple questions. Is it for individuals, for students and teachers, which you might be able to use to get some educational discount. It does require a valid ID, so you might have to send in an ID to actually show that you're a student. Or you can also sign up as a business. But we're going to go ahead and just use for individuals and click continue. It will ask you to pick a plan. Again, you can pick just Adobe XD or all the Creative Cloud apps. For now, we're just going to pick XD for the purpose of this course. We're going to click continue. It will ask you if you want a monthly option or a yearly option for the billing. We're going to continue in the monthly. And of course, we're going to be using the 7-day trial to begin with. So it's not going to actually go ahead and charge our card or anything at this time. So we'll click no thanks to this additional offer that it gives you. And next up, it will just ask you for your email address. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address here. This will just set you up with an account. If you already have an Adobe account, it will ask for your password. Otherwise, it will ask you to sign up here and add a password. So go ahead and take that time to set up your account if you don't already have an Adobe account. Once you get to the checkout page, it will go ahead and actually ask you to input a payment method. So I'm going to go ahead and click subscribe. So from here, you'll be able to see when you'll get started charging. So I have the free trial available until December 16th. So essentially you have free access to Adobe XD until the trial end date that you see over here. Until then, you can totally use the product for free. And then after that, Adobe will start charging you based on your subscription. So let's go ahead and click get started now. So in order for Adobe XD to install, you actually need to install Creative Cloud, which allows you to install Adobe products and keep them updated on your machine. So we'll go ahead and allow Creative Cloud to open to install over here. And once Creative Cloud does open up, it will look like this, and you'll be able to see from here XD being installed. Now, of course, because I already have it installed, it will go ahead and update it. Since I haven't updated it, it's updating it instead of installing it. But for you, it should say install if it's your first time installing XD on your machine. So give that some time, and then once it's fully completed and updated, we'll go ahead and open it up and explore it in the next lectures.